Sequencing outcrops. First thing I wanted to do was correlate all my rock layers. So you'll notice that I matched up different types. Let's take a look. Brown siltstones matched up here, tan conglomerates matched up here, green shales matched all the way across over here. This white limestone matched all the way across over here. And I had other matches. Now once I did that, I was able to establish which was the oldest layer, which was the gray sandstone right here. This was number 2, this was 3, this was 4, this was 5, this was 6. Now I have an unconformity here. But before I move forward, I also matched up the fact that if this was 6 over here, then I knew that this was 6 over here, which meant that this was 6 over here. And I was able to match up and match that these 5s were the same and so on. Take a real close look at how each thing matched up. And on an imaginary level, I also drew these contacts on the bottom there. Number 1, based on the evidence on the diagram, which rock layer is older than fault XY? I put B, the black shale, because black shale is being cut by the fault. Number 2, the unconformity of A, B, and C, D resulted from uplift and erosion followed by subsidence and deposition. And which layer is the youngest? Once I got done, I labeled them all. And number 11 up here, red conglomerate, is the highest number, so that is the youngest. On the next page, did the same thing. I matched up my different layers. Let's take a quick look. I had conglomerate here. I had this tan limestone, the volcanic ash, the green shale, and so on. And I matched up along with the other ones that are over here. So once I got done with that, I was able to establish that this was number 1, 2, 3. That this over here, 4 matched up with 4, 5 matched up with 5, and so on. I was able to establish the different numbers of the different units. Number 4, what is the youngest geological feature in the 3 bottom layers of outcrop C? So here's outcrop C, and the youngest thing would be the fault because it cuts across all the other features here. Number 5, which sedimentary rock shown in the outcrop is the youngest? The youngest would be the one with the highest number, which is the tan siltstone that I find right over here. In number 6, I spent some time correlating again, matching up the different rock layers like this conglomerate here and this gray limestone, matching up things like the red sandstone here with the red sandstone. And after I get done, I drew the lines along the bottom here, and I numbered things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's no unconformities there. I can see the 3 ties up here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No unconformities there. Then I see the 3 matches up here, 4, 5. Here's an unconformity right here, so I left that as the 7 that matched up here and the 8. An unconformity can be observed at location Z. Which rock layer was probably most likely removed? And we can see that is the conglomerate right there. Which rock layer is the oldest? That would be the one with the lowest number. That's going to be the gray siltstone that you see right there. For the last page here, I did the same thing I've done before, is to match up the layers the best that I could. Take a look at how I did that, see how that compares to your paper. Once I got done with that, I was able to number them. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 3 matched up over here, 3, 4, 5, 6. This becomes matched up here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 10 matches up here, 9 matches up here, 8 matches up here, 8 matches up here. Which rock would most likely be produced by the metamorphism of limestone? Limestone specifically turns into marble. Number 9, when did fault XY located in column 1 or column I most likely occur? Definitely after the formation of the red sandstone, because you see that it actually cuts through that red sandstone right there. And which is the oldest layer? To do that, I used my numbering, and the lowest number I have is the gray limestone right over here.